Hello. Today we see the first lock or box open. Okay. This is the color box. Okay, you see color box. Okay, we'll open. Here is the English menu, okay? Menu. All in English. Here is the cutting template. Here is the lock body. This is the rose gold color. This is the rear panel. Okay. We see the accessories. This is the lock body. We call motifs as well. You see inside it contains the plate and the buckle, and this is the main lock body. This lock body, the material is such stainless, and screws for fix the motifs. The cylinder and the key. It was 3 pieces key. 3 pieces. This is the emergency USB port for emergency portal unlock. 2 pieces. MIFAR IC card. 2 pieces. This is the kit for install screws. Okay. And this is the rechargeable lithium battery. English, okay. The battery capacity is 4,200. Okay. Some lock with 2 colors. One is this gray color. Okay, gray color. Okay, this is the front panel. Okay, front panel. Another color is this rose gold. This one with 7 unlocking ways by the face, by the palm way, by finger, by password, by the card, by key, and by the app. The app usually can choose Tuya Smart or US Smart Go. Tuya Smart or US Smart Go. Now, this device, use the customer choose Tuya Smart. Okay, so I already configure with the lock the device with the mobile. Okay, so once I remote unlock from the device. Okay. You see the first one. Okay. You see? I can receive receive the picture. Okay, this is locked itself. Okay, we can remote unlock from the.
Please enter password.
Okay, like this, and you see. Okay, I unlock. Okay, see the motor unlock.
Unlocked.
Okay,